Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So anyways guys, by the start of the video, you know what is going down today. I'm gonna be trying some braid feed. Yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. But I think I don't know what I'm doing because I really do not know what I'm doing. So anyways guys, so I'm just gonna start off now. Yeah. Okay, so I started off by parting my hair into two sections, straight down from the middle of my head to the back, and I just tucked away one section of my hair. That's not a lot, but I mean, my hair is falling out. I feel like my hair is pretty much damaged at this point, so I really need to do some revitalization, stimulation to get this growing back on track. Okay, so basically this technique is something that I saw on the internet, where what they did was to part one section at the front where you would start the cornrow, and then the back section you would part it in two. Now I didn't know the reason for this until I actually tried it and realized that it actually helps in really grabbing the hair without tangling your hands, because when it's like that, it's like you're grabbing from one section, then the other section, one section, then the other section. It actually felt easier to cornrow my hair like this. Wait, guys, how this look? I don't know if this is even a cornrow. Is this a cornrow or hold on them? I gotta show you guys better. How you guys think? Yo, what is this? Yeah, should I even do the other side, or should I just call this a fail? Because based on what I'm seeing, this is definitely not a braid feed-in. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I think I'm not sure if it even start off properly. I don't know. Or maybe I'm just not used to doing the inside corner. So I'm just gonna try the regular corner on this side, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so I don't know guys, like on this side I'm not seeing any, like I'm not seeing the cornrows, and on this side I'm seeing the cornrows, but I do not have any, hair front. So I mean, this side isn't that bad, it's just that I didn't have any hair front. So maybe what I should have done was to bring the cornrow closer to the end down here. I don't know. This is a total fail. This is definitely a total fail. Definitely a total fail. I thought I could have pulled it off, but I guess not. I watched like 3 videos on how to feel. So one thing this teaches me is that, I mean, you can watch the videos from now till next week. You have to keep on trying. You're not going to watch a video on YouTube and expect that boom, I watch a video one time, I go get it. You have to watch a video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, because there must be some form of technique that I was missing, because I don't know, I'm not seeing a cornrow here. It just looks like a whole lump. I mean, if I stretch it out like this, I kind of see some patterns, but this is definitely a fail. Definitely a fail. Oh my god. And then the top part of my hair is like Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and like, all I have to say is, guys, just keep on trying, because I am not going to stop here. I am going to keep on trying till I get this next time, and whenever I get it, you guys are the first to see it. Whoa, definitely a fail. Peace.